What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jocks. I'm going to go over our friend Matic Polygon, currently sitting at 91 cents, down 0.51 on the day. Seeing market cap 7.93 billion. 24-hour volume, 345 million. If you're new to Bitkit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. No VPN required for my US traders. 10% rebate on your first trade of 100 USD. And if you make your first deposit, you email me or sign up email, I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So what we're looking at here from this wave 2 low is a wave 1 into a wave 2, and then a subwave count, wave 1, wave 2, and the smallest minuscule wave count is a wave 1 looking to come down into wave 2. So this is the 1 hour time frame. We have a double top and a bearish divergence on the 4 hour. So I do think an ABC is likely. If I pop over to the 4 hour chart, as you can see here, we have a bearish D, double top. So if this neckline is broken, I would expect a drop into the yellow box in between 81 and 86 cents. We have strong support at about 82 to about 84 cents, which is the point of control, as well as the golden ratio. So that would be a good area to find support. Now, if Matic does stay strong, which is, of course, a possibility, a little bit less probable, but it's definitely possible. We've met the minimum target for a wave 2 pullback, so technically we can push up from here. But if this low is broken, which we've come very close to breaking at 89 cents, it would invalidate that. And it's more likely that we'd come down in an ABC, which I do think is probable for the price of Matic, which is perfectly healthy, and then begin to push up in a wave 3 to take you up to $1.24. Major resistance here in between about $1.03. Let me pull this out. Let me scroll out here, make sure everything is correct. Hope you're well. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. So as you can see, a lot of support and resistance in between about $1.03 to about $1.08. I remember covering that area way back in the last year summer of 2021, when we were, where was it, 2021? Yeah, July 2021. That was a massive level. So that will definitely act as resistance once again, just me bumbling on here, but it will definitely act as resistance here in between $1.03 to about $1.08. So I do think a little bit more pullback is likely and perfectly healthy for the chart of Matic. But if we were to break out from here, then just watch that level of resistance. But as I mentioned, bearish divergence with a double top on the 4 hour time frame. Now looking at this chart here, we've had the bullish cross looking healthy for continuation, just seeing a little bit of pullback. If we hold the EMAs as support, we are reached the top section of the we did reach the top section on the RSI, so healthy to see a little bit of pullback. What you want to see here is that it works in waves. Pump a little bit, pull back, pump, pull back, pump, pull back. Coins kid likes to say walking up the stairs. All right, guys, so if we can continue to hold the EMAs, that's when we can continue to push higher. The really bearish scenario, we lose the EMAs and, you know, we fall back down into the pattern, but I don't think it's the likely outcome in my opinion. Here on the weekly chart, we are finding quite a bit of resistance on the 20 EMA. If we can get back above the EMAs on the weekly, this chart doesn't go very far back, but you can see we got back above the EMAs. Boom, massive breakout to the upside. So you could see this as a nice little bull flag here on the weekly that started to break out. I mean, I'm showing it to you right here on the daily, but you can see it on the weekly as well, right? Here's a nice little bull flag that has started to break out. So if we can stay above the 20 EMA, get back above the 55, that's when you can see that continuation to the upside for Matic. Now, I still think there's a strong likelihood of Bitcoin seeing a rally and then coming down to, you know, 11 to 13, maybe 15K. And what you'll see here is Matic sees a nice push to the upside and then does see quite a steep pullback, but doesn't put in a lower low before seeing continuation. I do think that's likely here, but we'll have to see how it plays out. So in the short term, watch this double top. If this neckline is broken here at 89 cents, do expect you to come down to about 84 cents here, 82 to 84 cents, technical target of the double top. And we still have a little bit of room for this to play out, this bearish divergence. However, we can bounce from here. So if we do bounce and start to break these highs, then you have a wave 3 target to take you all the way up to about $1.24. with your next major level of resistance in between about $1.03 to about $1.08. Make sure to sign up to BitGet, grab up to 8K in bonuses. Email me or sign an email after your first deposit, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the $10 membership, my exact entries, exits, and take profits currently in profits on Solana, Sand, Mana, ENG. All signals I gave in the Discord, as well as early access to my analysis. Only 10 USD per month. Patreon link in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.